Guys, it's Abby in the garage. Today we're taking a look at the Class 3 hitch from CURT, specifically for this 2018 Jeep Renegade. The Class 3 hitch is great for towing whatever you need for your next adventure, from a small fishing boat to even a pop-up camper. They come in a high-gloss powder coat finish, which is great for durability, and you can tow up to 3,500 pounds trailer weight and 525 pounds tongue weight. You can also use this hitch with accessories like the rocker ball mount from CURT as well. CURT also makes a wiring harness which allows for you to connect into your trailer's taillights, brake lights, and turn signals. After taking a look at this installation of the Class 3 hitch, we would rate it a 5 out of 10, and it'll take you about an hour and a half. One thing to keep in mind is we found it much easier to jack up the back of this Renegade and remove the back two wheels just so we had better access. Also, if you're installing the wiring harness as well, we would rate the install of this a 4 out of 10, and it'll take you about an hour. The Class 3 hitch from CURT comes with a limited lifetime warranty. Thanks so much for watching our video. Today we took a look at the Class 3 hitch from CURT for the Jeep Renegade. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those below. Also check out that description below for product information and numbers, as well as a link to our dealer locator where you can find a dealer near you who would be more than happy to help you with the purchase or installation of this product. If you liked the video, be sure to give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss when we post new videos. Thanks so much for watching again. This has been Total Truck Centers in the Garage.